Hi, it's Hannah with WTI Travel. My family and I spent the day at Indiana Beach, and honestly, it was such a fun surprise and such a nice amusement park for a family of all ages. It's right on Lake Schaefer on the west side of Indiana, and there's just so much packed into this one little place. It's one of those classic parks that's been around forever, and that's what kind of makes it so special. There are roller coasters, thrill rides, fair games. There's something to keep everyone entertained and having a good time. My middle son loved the Music Express. We rode it several times. We rode the log ride, which is always a classic ride that you always have to go on. And then there's the giant gondola wheel, which has the most incredible views of the whole lake and the whole park. It is really stunning. There's a little kiddie area. Our 3-year-old loved some of those rides, especially the little Eli wheel, which is a miniature Ferris wheel, and it is so cute. But after you get through with all the rides and games, there's still the water park side you have to go to. There's a splash pad for the really little ones, there's slides for the adventurous ones. My favorite personally is the lazy river. I could float around on that thing for hours. And then there's the beach pier pool, which is such a cool feature. If you're a person who likes the lake, but your family likes the pool, this is a great combo. It feels like it's the lake water, but they filter it and add chlorine to this little area. Plus, there's a nice sandy beach if you just want to sit there on some lounge chairs and relax. Make sure you also check out the giant carp. You can feed them. They are huge and they are so entertaining to watch whether you are a kid or adult. When we got hungry, we grabbed some pizza, which was really good, but there are lots of food options along the boardwalk and throughout the park. So finding something that you sounds good is really easy. My family also, when we got a little bit hot, stopped and got some frozen covered bananas, which my kids absolutely loved. Parking at this park is very simple. You can pay to park right next to the entrance, or if you park a little bit farther away, you can park for free. It's a short walk. Another tip I have is to download the app that they have on their website. It makes it really easy to locate exactly where you are. You can narrow it down to which kind of rides you want, what kind of restaurants you want, and it will show you just those things, or you can have it show all of the features of the entire park. What stood out to me the most was how family friendly this whole place felt. There's truly something for everyone, big kids, little kids, parents. We had such a nice, fun, relaxing family day, and I definitely will go back with our kids. If you're looking for a really fun family day trip, Indiana Beach is definitely worth checking out. It's fun, it's affordable, and it has that classic summer amusement park vibe that just makes you feel happy and connected as a family. Check out below to see some links to products that were used in this video, and make sure you subscribe to WTI Travel so that you are always up to date on new travel tips, ideas, and deals.